I'm going to be attempting to build a scaled highly detailed Lamborghini Revuelto from cardboard. I'm going to be working on the control arm, wheels, and even test the speed of the rear wheel drive. This is Pelux Industry. So I'm going to start by working on the control arm of the Lamborghini Revuelto. I'm going to cut the upper arm, lower arm, wheel hub, brake disc, and any other components that make up this control system of the Lamborghini Revuelto. So now I'm going to be working on the brake disc of the Revuelto. I'm going to be using a bearing for the center of the brake disc for smoother rotation and to prevent galloping. As you can see, it gives a smoother and more symmetrical rotation. So now that most of the pieces of the control arm are done, I'm going to be painting them and I'm going to be coupling them together so I can move on to the next step. First of all, I'm going to be assembling the suspension. So now that the suspension is done, I'm going to start coupling everything together. So this is the left side of the control arm. As you can see, it can turn left and right, which is going to be controlled by a servo motor. Also, the wheels are going to be bolted on the brake discs with a 10mm bolt so it can be removed or replaced at any point in time. Now I'm going to be mounting the control arm to the chassis. This Revuelto is a rear-wheel drive which is going to be powered by a DC motor. Now I'm going to be locking in the DC motor with a piece of cardboard to prevent it from sliding out and wiggling. Now that the DC motor is locked in, it's time to put in the brake caliper. Now that all the components are locked in, it's time to test the speed and the stability of the motor. As you can see, it's pretty much fast, but it's kind of wiggling a little bit. That's because there's no load. Once there's load, once we build more components and there's load, it's going to be pretty much stable. It's going to be much more stable actually. Now that all the components are working, it's time to build the wheels. So these are all the components that will be used to make the rims. I'm going to start assembling all the pieces together. So now that the rims are all done, I'm going to start building up the tires. I'm going to be using this black foamy material for the tires. So I'm going to be filing the edges of the tires to give it that curvy finish look. As you can see, it's a little bit curvy at the edges. I will be using a soldering iron to make some grooves on the tires. Thanks for watching this video. Do well to like and let me know your thoughts about this project, and I'll see you in the next part.